Hey everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Amazon Firestick 4K. So I just received this in the mail today. So let's take a look. This little packaging, it's got a little flip out. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hello, Firestick. Got a USB-A to micro USB. So in here we've got the HDMI extender. Here's the remote. As you can see, Alexa's at the top. Prime, Disney, Netflix, and Hulu. And then here's the plug-in for your TV. All right, here's the power AC outlet to the wall. And right in here we've got two AAA, see, Amazon Basics batteries. Other than that, that's everything in there. There you have it. That's what you get. Like, share, and subscribe.